Oh, there is no food here. I need to go to the supermarket. Bill, do you want to go to the supermarket with me?
Oh, Mom! Yes, Mom! Wear your seatbelt, Bill. Yes, Mom. Whoa! We are here. Mom, let's use this cart. Laura! Okay, Bill. Always hold my hand. We need some vegetables, meat, eggs, milk, fruit.
Pork or beef? Ugh. Pork? Ugh. Beef.
Oh, wow! A teddy bear! Wait for me! Yalla! Where am I? Mom? Where are you?
Bill! Bill, where are you? Not here! Not here! Not here! Did you see a boy? 5 years old, blonde hair, yellow shirt, blue overalls.
No, sorry.
Mom! Mom! Excuse me, where's the meat area? Oh, the meat area? Go straight and turn left. Thank you. Okay. Go straight. Turn right. This place is strange. Range. Wow. Toy cars.
Did you see a boy? 5 years old, blonde hair, yellow shirt, blue overalls. Oh, yes, he went to the meat area. Thanks! He is not here. What should I do? The toy!
A truck, a digger, a crane. Whoa! I got them all. They're so cool. Thank God you are here.
Why did you run away? I told you to stay with me.
Sorry, Mom. Because the bear is so cute.
We go shopping. You must not run away. You can get lost. Always stay with an adult. All right, follow me.
I got it, but... Mom, can you buy a toy car?
Okay, you can take one toy.
Yeah! Thank you, Mom! Okay, put them back on the shelf, please. Oh.
Good boy.
Mother.
Let's buy vegetables.
Bill, take one cabbage. Okay, Mom. One cabbage. Please take 3 bell peppers, Bill. 1, 2, 3. 3 bell peppers. Take 2 lettuces, please. Here you are, Mom. What fruit do you want? I want bananas. Bananas are expensive today. Next time, okay? Okay, Mom.
How about some grapes? But we ate them yesterday.
Mom, let's buy a watermelon.
Great idea. Let's get one.
Okay, we have enough things. Let's pay.
How much is it? It is $50.
Bill.
Do you remember the lesson today?
Yes, Mom. I will hold your hand, and I won't run in the supermarket.
Good boy.